Namaste, Javians. Myself, Krishna Shivnara from the Department of Food, Agriculture and Veterinary Sciences. So, the topic which we'll be covering today is from the subject of food process technology. The topic is food packaging and its regulations. So, let's start. So, basically, we see the context of the topic, that is introduction, definition, function, mass transfer, and food package interaction, packaging materials, packing methods, and okay, so it can be considered as a combination of art, science, and technology that is used in the transportation and selling of foods. The primary role of food packaging is to protect the food product from the outside environment and from damage by abrasion to contain the food and to provide the consumers with information about ingredients and nutrition. The main requirements of food packaging is to maintain the food safety, the wholesomeness, and quality of the food. Now, packaging can be defined as the method to prevent and protect the foods with the aim and contain the food with the aim of minimizing the environmental impact of our consumption. The Packaging Institute International, the PII, defines packaging as the closure of the products, items, or packages in a wrapped pouch, or bags, or boxes, or cups, or trays, cans, tubes, bottles, and other containers formed to perfect one or more of the following functions. That is containment, protection, preservation, communication, utility, and performance. If the device or container performs one or more of these functions, it is considered a package. Now, functions. The packaging materials have the four basic functions of providing protection, communication, convenience, and containment. The traceability and tamper indications are said to be the secondary functions of increasing the importance. Now, let's talk about protection. One of the main objectives of the packaging of food is to protect it against spoilage or deterioration due to physical damage or chemical changes or biological damage. Now, communication, any special instructions or information. Convenience, the ease of access, handling, and disposal, product visibility and retrievability. Containment, now it holds the contents and keeps them secure until they are used. Traceability is the ability to track any food through all the stages of production, processing, and distribution. Tamper indication. The food tampering is an intentional contamination of the food product that intends to cause harm to the consumer or to a private company. There are several measures to detect tampering, including binding, special membranes, takeaway closures, special printing on bottle liner, or composite cans such as graphics or text that irreversibly changes upon opening, and special printing that cannot be easily duplicated. Packaging as a marketing tool. Now, packaging is an important tool for advertising. Now, packaging the products for packaging protects the interest of consumers. The information on the packaging includes quality, price, additives, ingredients, inventory levels, lot number, size, and weight is very important for merchandising. Socioeconomic factors in food packaging. The use of food packaging is a socio-economic indicator of increased spending ability of the population, an increase in the gross domestic product, or an increase in the food availability. Packaging technology must balance food protection with other social and environmental issues, including energy and material costs, heightened social and environmental consciousness, and strict regulations on pollution and disposal of municipal solid waste. Now, mass transparent food packaging interaction. The quality of the packaged food is directly related to the attributes of the food and packaging material. The quality of the most packaged food deteriorates owing to the mass transfer phenomenon. The moisture absorption or oxygen permeation, flavor loss, absorption of undesirable odors, and the migration of the packaging components. The migration may also result in mass transfer of an additive from the packaging material of the food. These are the following, that is the migration of volatile and non-volatile compounds from packaging material and the food packaging, including unreactive monomers or additives present in the polymerized packaging. The sorting of components from the food or the environment into the packaging material, the kinds of molecules so is dependent upon the type of interface between the food and the packaging. Some common examples are the sorting of fatty matter, pigments, and vitamins into the packaging, the formation of volatile compounds in the food through the packaging. A simple mass transfer operation is illustrated in figure. Diffusivity is quantified by a kinetic parameter called a diffusion coefficient or diffusivity. The driving force behind the transport process is the difference in the chemical potential between the two phases on either side of the membrane. The transport process slowly tries to equalize the concentrations, partial pressure, the chemical potential, the penetrance in the phases separated by the membrane. The permeability at thermodynamic equilibrium, the gas permeability or permeability coefficient is the product of the diffusivity and the solubility coefficient, that is P is equal to dS. The major categories of materials used for food packaging are glass, metals, paper and paperboard, and plastics. There are many multi-layer packaging materials containing either layers of different plastics or combination of plastic with paper or board or glass. In many cases, the packaging material with two layers is chosen. The paper and paperboard are sheet materials produced from an interlaced network of cellulose fibers derived from wood by using sulfate and sulfide. The fibers are then pulped, bleached, and treated with chemicals and sulfonic agents to produce the paper product. A craft paper is made up of a process that involves pulverizing the wood pulp and blending the material into large sheets of strong brown wood filaments. The craft paper process includes using sulfate in the condition of the wood pulp, which also helps to add the overall strength of the finished paper. One of the most common uses of plain brown craft paper is the manufacture of paper bags for use in the grocery stores. Sulfite paper, the lighter and weaker than kraft paper, and sulfite paper is placed to improve its appearance and to increase its wet strength and oil resistance. In the production process, of sulfite paper, the wood pulp is treated with peroxide and hypochlorite and subjected to operations that yield a thick paper product. It can be coated for higher print quality and is also used in laminates with plastic or foil. It is used to make small bags and wrappers for packaging biscuits and confectionery. The greaseproof paper is made by process known as bleaching. In which cellulose fibers undergo longer than normal hydration periods that causes the fibers to break up and become gelatinous. Elastine is a greaseproof paper with a high, smooth, and glossy finish. It is used as a liner for biscuits, cooking fats, fast foods, and baked goods. Parchment paper is produced from acid-treated pulp. The acid modifies cellulose to make it smoother and impervious to water and oil, which adds some wet strength. It does not provide a good barrier to air and moisture. It is not heat soluble and is used mostly to package bakery products with a high pulp content. A paper board is a thicker than paper with a higher weight per unit area and is often made in multiple layers. It is commonly used to make containers for shipping, such as boxes, cartons, and trays, and is seldom used for direct food contact. There are several different types of paper boards, including white board, solid board, fiber board, and chipboard. The production of glass containers involves heating of mixture of silica, sodium carbonate, limestone, and calcium silicate. The glass possesses a very good barrier properties that maintains the product freshness for a long period of time. To which high temperature until the material melts into a thicker liquid mass, which is then transferred to molds. The glass possesses a very good barrier properties which maintains more product freshness for a longer period of time without impairing the taste or flavor, visibility of product, the ability to withstand the high processing temperatures. It is brittle, heavy, and non-degradable. Plastics are synthesized by condensation, addition of cross-linking polymerization of monomer units. In condensation polymerization, the polymer chain grows by condensation reaction between the molecules and is accompanied by the formation of water molecules. This is all for this session. Thank you.